here where these wires got cut.
Oh,
I think it's cutting the power to those
on this
that brake,
side.
just
Okay.
that one brake. Yeah, so one of the wheels had locked up, and it was because there was no power to that brake, and it needs power to release it. On the other side where the wires come back, they went underneath the frame and got pinched between the frame and the axle, and it hit a big bump, and it split two of the wires.
Is it hot?
No, but the wires got pinched between the top of the axle and the frame.
On the axle frame?
Yeah, now they're broken.
So the two of them are broken.
So the two that go to that side through the axle are broken.
Okay, that's probably our problem then.
Yeah.
They come across, yeah, and it's fine.
Okay. Yeah, so the two greens going into the wheel need to be attached to something.
They are going right into the wheel
So
itself.
I think that's fine. I think our problem's over here.
On the what side?
Right here where these wires got cut.
Oh,
I think it's cutting the power to those
on this
that
side.
brake, just
Okay.
that one brake.
Okay, all right. So we can come over to that side and take a peek, see if we can get the wires fixed.
Do you have any wire strippers?
Yep, I think so. I got like this. I have my knife and some tape. I've got
Okay.
this knife.
Let's
There's
see
a
if I
wire
can
stripper.
determine which ones belong together.
Okay, all right.
I don't want to go under there until there's a tire on the other side. Putting the wheel back on over there.
Yeah, hang on. Yeah, but good luck. Need another one?
Not for a few minutes.
All right.
Okay, there's our temporary fix with one stray wire, but we got a spot here still that got pinched, but I don't think it's... Can I have another piece of electrical tape? I'm just going to tape
Yep.
this one off,
Yep. All right.
then we'll try to tape everything out of the way after that. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, I think I got that covered. Can I get a light nose down here?
Got a hold of him?
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
Oh, it's spinning.
It's off. It's spinning
Yeah,
somewhat.
somewhat.
Yeah.
Better than it was.
Yeah, it is.
And it split two of the wires. So I reattached them in kind of a funky way. But we had some electrical tape, and now the tire actually moves.
Okay, good.
But it doesn't move great, so we're gonna WD-40 it. And so it moves like pretty good. It's like 85%. Like I would drive it like that.
Did you make it?
Yes.
Okay.
There it is. Keep this out for posterity.
If you can just spray it in there, yeah.
Yeah, like if I can get it up high and it'll drip down maybe.
Yeah, sure.
Yep, there we go. That did it. All right, that's good.
Got better, you think?
It's, I mean,
It's just instant like grabs, huh?
yeah, well, that's because it's turned up high and there's no weight on it, so,
Yeah.
but it lets up again.
Okay, so we can let her down, think?
Yes.
let's roll for another exit, and then we
Yeah,
can get
at
off
least-
and kind of, because right now you can feel it. It's still hot.
But now that's normal.
Feel this though.
Yeah. Oh, that's hot.
Yeah, that's hot. Yep. All right. I'm just dumping these in the back.
See if we fixed it. All right, this is the driveway up to where we live.
It's terrible.
The little cottage on the hill.
Or you could say the mansion on the hill,
You could say that. It's very bumpy.
which means death.
We have to go through the pillars.
Yes.
If we're lucky, we'll catch a picture of the bobcat on the way out. Get a shot of the house. There it is. All right, Jack. When we come around to the front,
Hey, Dad.
show us the front of the house.
How do you key and
Yes.
where's on the second floor? Where's our
Keep it as steady as you can, Jack. I know it's a bumpy road.
Looks like one doing a sign that says private property.
Show me this. Yeah. Now turn over here and let's see the place.
Take a picture. I can't take one anymore.
That's the humble abode.
We sleep in a basement.
We do sleep in a basement. Well, we made it. We are here at our temporary housing solution. The red trailer, the RV, car. So we're on the top of a hill in Franklin, Tennessee. We get to be here for a few more weeks till the new house closes escrow.
What's that smell?